If you know these 20 words, your English vocabulary is excellent. Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, I have got an exciting and challenging vocabulary quiz for all of you. If you know these 20 words, your English is excellent. These are not basic words, it's slightly advanced. But these words are useful in daily life. I'll give you one word, 3 options. You can choose from the option. You have 3 seconds to choose from the option. After each word, I'll give the right answer with a proper meaning and an example sentence so that these words will stick with you forever. You won't forget these words. Don't forget to keep a paper and pen ready to jot down these words. And also don't forget to comment down your score by the end of this video in the comment section. So the first word is deliberate. Deliberate. Options: done on purpose, done by mistake, done quickly. The right answer is done on purpose. It means to do something intentionally, not by accident. An example sentence: it was a deliberate decision to ignore the email. It means you intentionally ignored the email. It was not by mistake or accident. You did it on purpose. The second word is prosper. Prosper. Options: fail in life, be successful, be confused. The right answer is be successful. To grow, succeed, or do well. For example, he wants to work hard and prosper. You want to learn English and prosper. So being successful is what prosper means. The next word is tremendous. Tremendous. Options: very small, very large or great, very boring. The right answer is very large or great. It means very big, powerful or excellent. She made a tremendous effort to win. You just made a tremendous effort by learning new words in English to improve your English. The next word is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Options: calm and relaxed, extremely stressful or happy, bored. The right answer is extremely stressed or happy. It means feeling too much emotions or pressure. An example sentence: I felt overwhelmed by the workload. I'm very stressed by the workload. I have a lot of work to do. I'm very stressed. The next word is reluctant. Reluctant. Very eager. Unwilling, not ready. Confident. The right answer is unwilling, not ready. Not wanting to do something. If you don't want to do something, it's like reluctant. He was reluctant to talk about his mistake. It means he's not willing to talk about his mistake. The next word is abandon. Abandon. Options: leave something forever, take care of something, buy something. The right answer is leave something forever. It means to leave something behind and to never return. You just left it. The girl abandoned her cat. It means she left her cat forever. She left her cat on the roadside. She did not take it back. The next word is emphasize. emphasize, ignore something, stress the importance, hide something. The right answer is stress the importance. It means to give special importance to something. He emphasized the need for discipline. It means he stressed about the importance of discipline. Discipline is very important to lead a better life. So he stressed about it. The next word is endure. Endure. Quit easily. Suffer patiently. Celebrate. The right answer is suffer patiently. It means to tolerate difficult situation without complaining, with patience. An example sentence, he endured the pain without complaining. The next word is pursue. Pursue. Run away, follow or chase, hide. The right answer is follow or chase. To follow something to achieve it. She is pursuing her dream to become a doctor. You should pursue your dream to become a fluent English speaker. The next word is subtle. Subtle. Options: very loud and clear, not obvious, delicate, very strong. The right answer is not obvious, delicate. The meaning is difficult to notice immediately. Maybe it's very small that we did not notice it. There was a subtle change in his behavior. Next word, anticipate. Anticipate. Options: forget to plan, expect or predict, refuse to guess. The right answer is expect or predict. To expect something in advance. I anticipate the prices will rise soon. It means I expect the prices will rise soon. The next word, I think this is very easy. Miserable. Miserable. Options: very happy, extremely unhappy, very rich. The right answer is extremely unhappy, feeling very sad or uncomfortable. He felt miserable after losing his job. The next word is grumble. Grumble. Options: complain quietly, laugh loudly, work hard. The right answer is complain quietly. It means to complain in a low voice, like you're mumbling something. You're complaining about something very quietly, like in a very low voice. He always grumbles about waking up early. He is not interested to wake up early. He is not an early bird. So he grumbles about waking up early. The next word is neglect. Neglect. Options: pay careful attention, ignore or not care, help someone. The right answer is ignore or not care. It means you're avoiding something, you're not taking care of something. For example, don't neglect your health. You should not neglect your health because our health is very important. For each one of us, health is very important. So don't neglect it. The next word is crucial. Crucial. Options: not important, very important, funny. The right answer is very important. An example sentence: it is very crucial to submit the report on time. The next word is also very simple. Violate. Violate. Options: follow the rule, break the rule, forget the rule. The right answer is break the rule, to not follow a rule. You cannot violate company policies. It means you cannot break the company policies. So violate means to break the rules. The next word is simultaneous. Simultaneous. Options: one after another, happening at the same time, impossible to do. The right answer is happening at the same time. It means happening at the same moment. For example, the two events are simultaneous. It means both the events are happening at the same time. The next word is dazzling. Dazzling. Options: very bright or impressive, very boring, very small. The right answer is very bright or impressive. Extremely beautiful, bright or skillful. Example sentence: she gave a dazzling performance. It means her performance was very beautiful, extremely skillful. The next word is fragile. Fragile. Options: strong, easy to break, heavy. The right answer is easy to break. It means easily broken or damaged. You can easily damage it. An example sentence: be careful with that glass vase. It's fragile. It means it can be easily broken. Also, you can see this word on the packages that you obtain online. Like if you have ordered any piece of glass or something made out of glass, something that can be broken easily, you can see a tape stuck to that box written fragile. The next word is vulnerable. Vulnerable. Options: very strong, easily hurt or affected, rich and powerful. The right answer is easily hurt or affected. It means you are easy to harm, attack or influence. For example, children are vulnerable to online scams. Not only children, even these days adults are even vulnerable to online scams because the people doing the scams are very brave. So vulnerable means easily hurt or affected. These are the 20 English words. So, how many did you get right? Don't forget to comment it down. If you scored more than 15, your vocabulary is great. It's excellent. And if not, don't worry. You just learned 20 new English words. You just improved your vocabulary and you can use these 20 new words in your daily conversation. It can take your English to the next level. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.